Hello indulgers, welcome to my vlog. Today we're stepping out of the kitchen and heading out to do some Ramadan shopping. I'm taking you guys along with me to Melcom. Melcom is a very popular Ghanaian department store, and today we're visiting the branch in Santasi right here in Kumasi where I stay. This is my first time at this particular branch and I was pleasantly surprised with my findings. InshaAllah Ramadan is about a month away and I haven't had a Ramadan in Ghana for about 2 years. So this one is an exciting one for me. Allahumma balighna Ramadan. May we all fast in good health and iman. My food blogging and YouTube journey was birthed during the month of Ramadan a couple years ago. And so this month really does feel like where it all started. And I'm super excited to share recipes with all of you during this month, and I hope you all will stay tuned on my socials, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and inshallah let's share some good stuff. So Melcom also has a fresh produce section, which was a surprise. I've been to Melcom stores before, but I think this is a new development. Generally you're not going to catch me buying fresh produce at a supermarket unless of course it is some sort of fruit or vegetable that I cannot find in the local markets. I also picked up some frozen foods, some chicken breast and drumsticks, and some mixed vegetables. Let me know in the comments section if there are any recipes in particular that you would like me to create. But the vibe this year is a combination of African foods that we all know and love from Ghana and across the continent, as well as a little continental and world cuisines. My husband actually received a Melcom gift voucher at the end of last year, and so today I figured it's a good time to come and spend it. My total was about 260 something cedis. The gift voucher covered for 200, and so I paid the balance. Thank you guys for coming along with me. So next stop was home, of course. I headed home and I unpacked my groceries, put the frozen food in the freezer and the dry ingredients in my pantry. And yeah, so I'm getting organized for Ramadan. I hope you are too in your respective homes. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a blessed month ahead, inshallah.